Doon po sa natanggap niyong subpoena, nakalagay ho ba doon na ang pupuntahan yung hearing is in aid of legislation? O alam niyo po na ito ay impeachment? This is an impeachment proceedings.
Yeah. Yes, alam po namin na ito ay impeachment
And yet,
proceeding.
you still produce
Yes, opo, sapagkat
because you are compelled to do that,
sapagkat
to produce.
sapagkat meron pong direktiba ang committee na isabit namin ang mga dokumento at sa paniniwala namin nung isinabit namin ang mga dokumentong yon ay kung anuman ang mapag-uusapan dito ay po pwedeng maging basis ng future legislation. Kung kaya't ang tingin po namin nung isinabit namin ang mga dokumento, bagamat ang pangunahing layunin ng committee ito ngayon sa proceedings na ito ay i-determine kung may probable cause against the Vice President to go to an impeachment trial, tinitingnan po rin po namin na ang proceedings po na ito ay in aid of legislation.
Pero yung paniniwala nyo, in aid of legislation.
Opo yun.
Pero hindi, malinaw po na this is not in aid of legislation because this is an impeachment proceedings, di ho ba? And you produce the document because we're ordered via subpoena.
Produce the documents because we were served the subpoena and we believe that the submission is one of the exceptions provided by law.
Kasi ang paniniwala nyo in aid of legislation.
Yes po, Madam Chair.
Pero maling paniniwala po yon because this is clearly not in aid of legislation. Impeachment po ito. Di ho ba? Impeachment proceedings. In any case, Madam Chair, I know that there is this motion to lay on the table, but let
Yes.
me just state for the record.
Yes.
I take the stronger legal position that Congress, in its impeachment capacity, can compel production of ITRs of the impeached official. The constitutional accountability imperative and the doctrine of constitutional supremacy over ordinary statutes support this view. The NIRC's confidentiality provisions do not immunize a public official from disclosure in a constitutionally mandated accountability proceeding. Yun po ang pagkakaiba. This is constitutionally mandated accountability proceeding. Special po ito. Sui generis po ito. So, hindi ho pwedeng ma-immunize ang isang impeachment official dahil lamang merong ganyang confidentiality provision in a statute. Constitution prevails over an ordinary statute. That's my position. Thank you, Madam Chair.
The committee notes all your important positions and opinions. I just wish to remind all the members that let us maintain the caution that we have started since day one of our proceeding. We owe that to the sovereign Filipino people to make sure that we move forward in this impeachment proceeding and we will not be a subject matter of another petition before the Supreme Court. With that, let us rule on the motion. There is a motion to lay on the table the opening of the box. The same has been seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing, are you objecting, Honorable De Lima?
Yes, because of that's a position that I laid down. The latest position that I laid down.
An objection has been registered to the motion to lay on the table the opening of the box. Let us now divide the House. Those who are in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. Thank you. You may put down your hands. Those who are not in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. Thank you. Comsec, please submit the result of vote. Those who abstain, please raise your right hand. No one abstains.
No abstention.
with 21 votes in the affirmative, 4 votes in the negative, and 0 abstention. The motion to lay on the table the issue of opening the box is hereby granted.
Madam Chair.
Madam Chair.
Madam Chair.
The Honorable Adjong and then the Honorable Sendanya.
Yeah, Madam Chair. I hope we are in understanding and agreement that we will not send back this box to the to BIR. Tama po ba? I don't need to make a motion on that. Should
Commissioner, I hope you defer to the committee on its position not to return the box. We will keep the box although the same is sealed.
Yes,
Ma-
Madam
ma-
Chair. We defer to the to the
I? Okay,
decision.
thank you, Madam Chair.
Madam, on a related point, Madam Chair,
Honorable Sendanya.
perhaps to uphold the integrity of the decision of the committee to lay on the table the decision to open the box, may we request the good commissioner of the BIR, with the officers of the BIR, to kindly sign the tape part of the box to ensure the integrity of its seal. Thank you, Madam Chair.
The Commissioner of the BIR is so requested to please affix your signature on the seal of this box so as to make sure that no one will open this.
Madam Chair.
May we provide Commissioner Mendoza with a pentel pen or a sign pen?
Madam Chair. Madam Chair, clarificatory question.
Honorable Tino?
Thank you, Madam Chair. Chair, I just want,
Gusto mo na lang po.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Tino?
yes, I just want to clarify the meaning of the vote that was just made.
That is
So-
merely to differ.
Okay, so by laying on
In
the
proper
table,
time, we will resolve.
ayun. So yung laying of the table, ibig sabihin po, is just to defer.
To differ.
Kaya po, hindi natin isinosoli kung hindi pag-aaralan pa kung pwedeng buksan o hindi ng komite. So yun lang po ang gusto nating ilinaw at malinaw na
I think you should sign on all sides.
maaari pa itong buksan. Thank you.
The committee notes the manifestation of the Honorable Tino. We will soon hear the most favorite motion.
Madam Chair, before that, may I make a manifestation? Madam Chair, ay,
The Honorable Keith Flores is recognized. Just for the record, before you proceed, for the record, the BIR Commissioner Attorney Charlie Mendoza affixed his signature on the 4 sides of these boxes to preserve the confidentiality of the contents of the same. That is for the record. The Honorable Flores.
Madam Chair, before we adjourn, Madam Chair, I would just like to move that we issue a subpoena ad testificandum and subpoena de sistecum for the NBI to present the results of the investigation on the threats. Madam Chair.
There is a motion to issue subpoena to the National Bureau of Investigation with regards to the allegations of threat committed by the respondent Vice President. Do I hear a second? The
Second,
same has
Madam
been
Chair.
seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is granted. The committee is directed to issue the necessary subpoena, duces tecum, and subpoena ad testificandum to the National Bureau of Investigation. May I hear the necessary motion?
Madam Chair, may I make a brief manifestation?